is going on, YouTube? I am Germ here. Today, as you guys can see up on the screen, I wanted to talk a little bit about Hertz Global Holdings Incorporated. This is obviously the Hertz company that some of you may know, some of you may love. I know that during the kind of COVID pandemic, obviously this stock was very, very hot. This was like one of the original kind of meme stocks before meme stocks were really even a thing. There was all the talk of, oh, maybe Hertz is going to go bankrupt. Maybe it's going to go out of business. It had these crazy huge run-ups and crazy huge swings all over the place. And as you guys can see on the screen, when you Google it, it says that Hertz is worth $8.74, but this is tracking the ticker symbol HTZGQ. But today, this stock is really, really interesting because it's actually trading under a new name, HTZZ. And this stock is worth a lot more than $8.74. So hopefully in this video, I'll be explaining this whole situation to you guys, making it make a ton of more sense, and just also letting you know what's going on overall, so you guys can make a decision of whether or not you're going to be buying into HTZZ or staying the heck away from it. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. And subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. With that being said, here we go. So again, Hertz is not HTZGQ. It is HTZZ. And the big news here is that there were some gains. This is from the barons.com. Gains in Hertz's new shares are a big win for investors who took it out of bankruptcy. Obviously, we know Hertz was really, really struggling throughout all of 2020. The bankruptcy, everything going on. But now they are back with a vengeance, and the stock is going crazy. The surging stock price of Hertz Global Holdings after its emergence from bankruptcy Wednesday amounts to a big score from the investor group led by Knighthead Capital that won a bidding contest for the rental car company in bankruptcy court in May. Shares of the reorganized Hertz, again, ticker symbol HTZZ, this is Hertz now, closed at $26.99 in over-the-counter trading Thursday, above a price of about $14 implied by the final trade in the old Hertz stock. $8.74 was the final trade in HTZGQ. Just like I told you guys, that's what this shows on Google. $8.74. Again, HTZZ is right now trading at $27. So that is like almost 3x gains for obviously this company that won this little bidding contest. But now investors who have maybe been who were really, really excited about Hertz back then, or like their chances at rebounding well, or just like their like the opportunity of buying low on Hertz, obviously with it dipping way, way down low, maybe it's too late for that. But now, again, now that it is being traded under this new ticker symbol, HTZZ, the public has a chance to get involved again, whether it's making long option plays or shorting it, or buying a bunch of shares or staying away from it, or whatever you want to do. This Hertz is all of a sudden back on the menu, and that is going to be very, very exciting for a lot of people. Again, a lot of people have probably been interested in Hertz for quite a while, and it's kind of been crazy. Hertz also has issued new warrants, HTZZW, to buy its stock, and they ended the day at $11.95. I don't know what this sign-up thing is. The cash and securities packages for Hertz Old Equity have been issued. Hertz told Barron, as is routine, the transfer can take a few days to complete. If it goes through multiple parties, individual shareholders should contact their bank, broker, or financial advisor for additional questions. Again, make sure you guys know fully what is going on here. But there does appear to be a two-tiered market in Hertz stock at the moment: the publicly traded shares and the institutional market for those unregistered shares, which were trading at a discount to the actual public shares. So the public shares are right now trading at prices above where those unregistered shares are at right now, meaning that the public's pretty excited about this, meaning that maybe the public's even overpaying for it a little bit, or maybe just those people behind the scenes are getting a pretty good deal. But obviously there is a ton of retail excitement about Hertz stock finally, making a big move, finally being back on the menu, finally being an option for a lot of people once again. And that is going to be very, very exciting. So here we go. The institutional trading is based on the equity capital that Hertz raised to exit bankruptcy. The vast bulk of Hertz stock can't be freely traded yet. So that's another big thing, that right now there's not much going around. That could also be kind of leading to these inflated prices, or this crazy, crazy price jump. But again, going from $8.67 to $27, or just under $27 or whatever, is a crazy, crazy day. People are hyped up. People are excited. And, for the meantime, I'm personally probably going to be staying away from this one because it's probably pretty crazy. It's going to be overvalued. It's going to be very volatile. There's going to be some huge up days like today. But, what goes up must come down. And, Hertz is going to be really volatile. It's going to be crazy. And I am super interested. I think it's hilarious to watch. I think it's interesting to watch. And I'm generally very, very curious to see where this is going to go the rest of this week. Obviously, having one trading day left. But a couple months from now, even a year or two from now, where Hertz is going to be. And if people buying in, at 25, 26, 27, whatever dollars, how they're going to do. I'm not saying they're going to do bad. I'm just saying that right now it's a little volatile. It's a little crazy for me. But if things kind of cool off, if at one point it makes a little bit more sense to me, at least personally, that could be what I'm looking to do. But again, Hertz is back on the menu. We're not looking at HTZ. We're not looking at HTZGQ. We are looking at HTZZ right now. Again, they're out of bankruptcy. They are on the market once again. And people are really, really excited. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Are you going to be buying into this new Hertz stock, this new ticker symbol? They're fresh. They're ready to go. Are you staying away from it? Are you keeping an eye on it? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe, stay updated on my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.